How to add someone on Telegram with a QR code. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to add someone on Telegram with a QR code. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just open up Telegram, and then once you're here, it's pretty simple on how to do it. So what you want to do is just go to your settings. So just click on the settings button right here, and then you'll be redirected here. So what you want to do now is click on this QR button right here on the top left corner, and then after that you can share this QR code with anyone. So you can choose what kind of design you want. So yeah, there are different kinds of designs right here that you can use. And then once you're done setting up your QR code, what you can do now is just click on share QR code, and then from here you can share this in any app you like. So you can share it to your friends in Messenger, Instagram, and a lot more. Or you can save this as well as an image so that you can share it to your friends in any platform. And then once you're done, all they have to do now is to just scan the QR code in their camera, and then it will be redirected, and then it will redirect them to their Telegram app, and then there will be an option right there for them to add you or for you to add them. And yeah, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add someone on Telegram with a QR code. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.